Good day, ma'am. My name is Jemark B. Milibo, BSIT Electronics 2. My topic is topic A, globalization. Globalization is the interconnectedness of our world economics, cultures, and societies linked through trade, technology, and ideas. It's driven by multinational corporations, free trade agreement, and innovation like internet. Positive effect of globalization. Economic growth. Global trade lift economics. Countries like Vietnam and Bangladesh have cut poverty by 50% through manufacturing job. Consumers get cheaper goods from smartphone to clothing. Cultural exchange. You can be in K-dramas, eat sushi in New York, or join global movements like climate strike. Diversity thrives when ideas cross borders. Tech and innovation. The internet connects billions. Farmers in Kenya use apps to predict weather, while remote workers in India collaborate with teams in Silicon Valley. Political corporation. Global treaties tackle climate change and pandemics. The Paris Agreement, a product of nation workers together. Negative effect of globalization. Inequality. While CEO profit agreement workers in Cambodia earn $3 a day, in the US factories close as jobs move to overseas, leave towns struggling. Environmental damage. Cargo ship emit more CO than Germany. The Amazon burns to grow soy for global market, or planet we play pays the price. Cultural erosion. Local language die as English dominates. Fast food chains replace family restaurants. Is the world become one blunt monocultures? Health risks. COVID-19 inspired globally in weeks. Supply chains breakdowns during crisis leave. Shipbuilds empty and prices soaring.